John Deere OnEquip, the how to get ahead of the mystery of your head mechanic's maintenance schedule. Or the how to get a handy handle on machine-by-machine usage hours. Not to mention staying on top of the head equipment tech letting you know don't assign fairway unit 4 because I need to work on it the night before, and you showing up after the morning meeting the next day with nobody knowing that little tidbit except you and the head equipment tech misstep. Or staying 3 steps ahead of the great hunt, otherwise known as the tracking down and the ordering of replacement parts. And then, of course, there's the amazing equipment maintenance cost by machine and as a fleet trick. How do you keep up? If it's on your mind, it's OnLink.